Here student, our new chapter is chapter 14 statics. In this chapter we are studied about the data. First of all, collection of data. For the collecting the data, there are two types of collection. One is the primary collection and secondary collection. In the primary collection, the investigator investigate all the data and collect them. This data is called primary data. And in the secondary data, well prepared data. If you want to collect the data from a particular agencies or a particular resources, this type of data is called secondary data. Well prepared data is collected from a particular resources, that is the secondary data. After the collection, the data is required for organizing. In the organization, here for the tabular presentation in class 9, there are two types of tabular presentation: frequency distribution table and grouped frequency distribution table. Our first question is related for frequency distribution table. Our first question is, the blood group of 30 students of class 8th are recorded as follows. This data is related for the blood group, and we record the 30 blood group of 30 students. Blood group of A, B, O and AB. There are 4 types of blood group. The data are collected. It's maybe the primary or the secondary, and again tabulate it. हमें इसको टेबल के अंदर एक प्रॉपरली अरेंज करना है. तो कंस्ट्रक्ट ए फ्रीक्वेंसी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन टेबल. In the frequency distribution table, our first column is related for the data. The data here the blood group, then the first column is blood group. Sometimes the marks are given, then we should write the marks. Here blood group, tally marks and frequency. So first column is blood group, second tally marks, and third column is frequency. How many types? First, there are 4 types of blood group: A, B, O and AB. In the tally marks, we should count the different blood group. First A, here 1 mark, B 1 mark, O and O, here 2 marks, AB 1 mark, OA, OB, AO, ये फिफ्थ का पेयर, 4 के बाद फिफ्थ का पेयर क्रॉस, BA, OO, AAB, ये A और AB, OA, ये O, A, AO, A, O, again O, ये फिफ्थ का अगेन, ABB, ये BNB, AO, A and O, BA, B, A, BO, ये B and last is O. That is the tally marks, and after the tally marks we should count in a frequency. देयर आर 5 6 7 8 9, तो इसकी फ्रीक्वेंसी होगी 9। यहाँ पर 5 और 1 6, ये 5 और 5 10 और 2 12, और ये अपना 3, और इसको काउंट कर लो, 9 और 6 15 और 12 और 3 15, देयर आर 30, and that is the total. The total blood group is 30. That is the frequency distribution, and here the question is related for after the tabulation, what is the most common and which is the rarest blood group among these students. Most common blood group, so the maximum frequency, so the most common blood group is O, and rarest जो सबसे कम मिलता है वो है 3 student, so the most common blood group is O. Most common blood group is O, and rarest blood group is AB. So blood group O is the most common blood group, and rarest blood group is AB. Second question is the distance in kilometer of 40 engineers from their residence to their place of work. These data are given in the kilometer, and these are the distance of 40 engineers from the residence to their working place. उनके घर से उनके working place के बीच का distance है. And construct a group frequency distribution table with the class size is 5. For example, the first class interval is 0 to 5. हमें class size या class width को लेना है 5 के इंटरवल में, और ग्रुप्ड फ्रीक्वेंसी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन टेबल बनानी। तो सबसे फर्स्ट कॉलम बनेगा आपका इंटरवल में, फिर ये टेली मार्क्स एंड फ्रीक्वेंसी। फर्स्ट इंटरवल आपका क्लास इंटरवल है, तो जो क्या है डिस्टेंस, या डिस्टेंस इन किलोमीटर, 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, and the maximum value is 32, so we should go for 35, 20 से 25, 25 से 30 और 30 से 35। First, here 0 to 5, the most important thing for understanding is the same number 5 and 5, 10 and 10, the upper limit, lower limit. The same numbers in the first interval of upper limit is equivalent to the lower limit of second interval. So the same number counted in the lower limit, किसमें काउंट होगा? आगे वाले में। 0 to 5, 0 to 5 का मीनिंग ये हुआ 0 से लेकर लेस देन 5 तक। 5 होते ही हम नीचे नेक्स्ट इंटरवल में, यहाँ पर 5 से लेकर कहाँ तक? लेस देन 10, 10 होते ही नीचे। तो फर्स्ट यहीं पे क्लियर हो जाएगा 5, तो 5 यहाँ पे नहीं है, नीचे वाले में काउंट होगा यहाँ पे। नेक्स्ट 19, 7, 12, तो 19 ये 19 पे, 7 इसके बीच में, 12 यहाँ पर, 3, 10, 3 यहाँ पर, 10 यहाँ पर, 9, 14, 9 यहाँ पर, 14 यहाँ पर, 10, 12, ये 10, 12 इसी में, ये 12, 7, 2, ये 7, ये 2, 20, 17, ये 20 और ये 17, 8 9, ये 8 और ये 9, 25 18, ये 25 और 18, वो भी सेम 18, 3 6, ये 3 और 6 भी सेम, सॉरी 6 नीचे, 6 अपना ये नीचे, 11 11, ये दोनों 11 इसी में काउंट हो, 5 and 15, ये 5 सेम नंबर है नीचे वाले में, 15 नीचे वाले में, 13 32, ये 13 और 32 ये लास्ट वाले में, 12 15, ये 12 और 15 ये 5 हो जाएगा, 7 17, 7 और 17 यहाँ पर, 15 7, ये 15 और 7 ये 7, 12 16, ये 12 और 16 यहाँ पर, 18 और 6, 18 और 6 हो गए, 31 और 2, ये 31 और ये 2, 3 और 12, 0 से 3 और लास्ट एक 12, वो यहाँ पर, these are the tally marks। अब इनको काउंट कर लो, 5, ये 5 और 5 10 और ये 1 11, ये 5 और 5 10 और 1 11, 5 और 4 9, ये 1, ये भी 1 और 2, एंड काउंट देम, ये हो गया अपना 16, 11 और 5 16, 16 और 20 36, 36 और 4 40, so its total is 40, that is the grouped frequency distribution table, and here the question is, what main features do you observe from this tabular presentation? Here the main features is related for the maximum or the minimum value. Here the most of the engineers are living there in the between, these are the only the 4 data are 20 to 35, so most of the engineers are lying between 0 to 20 kilometer. So the main features for this data is, most of the engineers most of the data are lying between, most of the engineers are lying between 0 to 20 kilometer. That is the main features for this question. Next question is, these data are related for the number of hours of watching television in the previous week. The result were follow. These data are given in the hours. Make a grouped frequency distribution table for this data, and class width is 5. And how many children watch television for 15 or more hours a week? All the data are given in hours for a particular week. And First of all, making a grouped frequency distribution table. So the first given time in hours, again telemarks, and number of students or the frequency. These data are related for the student for watching TV in hours. First interval is 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20. There is no need for more than 20. So we should start 1, 10, 3, 1, 10 and 3, 6, 3, 2, 6, 3, 2, 2, 4, 8, 2 यहाँ पर, 4 भी यहाँ पर, 8, 3, 12, 5, 3, 12 and 5, 5, 2, 9, 5, 2, 9, 12, 8, 6, 12, 8 and 6, 5, 15, 8, 5, ये 15 और ये 8, 8, 1, 7, 8, 1 and 7, 7 भी होगा जिसमें 4, 17, 14, ये 4, 17 और ये 14, 8, 6, 12, 8, 6 और एक और 12, ये 12, तो 5 और 5 10, 5 और 5 10 और 3 13, ये 5 और ये 2 और इसका टोटल हो जाएगा अपना ये 23 और 5 28 और 2 30. The total is 30. And here the first question is make a grouped frequency distribution table. And here the second question is how many children watch TV for 15 or more hours a week. 15 or more, 15 or 15 से ज़्यादा, तो only the 2 students. So 2 students watching TV 15 or more hours a week. Only 2 students. The answer of B part, only 2 students watching TV 15 or more hours a week. 15 or more than 15 hours in a particular week, only the 2 students are there. This is the last question of this exercise, exercise 14.2, and this exercise is related only for the frequency distribution table. Here the life of the car batteries are given in the year, and make a grouped frequency distribution table using the class interval 2 to 2.5. Here the class size is 0.5. So the lowest interval is 2.2. So we start from the 2. The life of the car battery, life of battery, in years are given. Next telemarks, and last is the frequency. First interval is 2 to 2.5, 2.5 to 3, 3 to 3.5, 3.5 to 4, 4 to 4.5, and 4.5 to 5. These are given. First 2.6, 3.5, 2.6 वो यहाँ पे होगा, 3.5 वो इसमें, 2.5, 3.5, ये 2.5 और 3.5, 4.6, ये 4.6, 3.0, 3.0, 2.3, 4.4, 2.3, 4.4, 3.2, 3.8, 3.2, 3.8, 7 to 3.7, 3.2 वो यहाँ पर, 3.4, 3.9, ये 3.4 और 3.9 यहाँ पे, 3.2, ये 3.2, 3.2, 3.4, ये 3.2, 3.4, 3.2, 3.3, 3.2, 2.6, 2, 3.8, 2.2, 3.8, 2.9, 2.9, 3.2, 3.5, 3.2, 3.5 वो लीजिए, 4.1, 3.2, 4.1, 3.2, 3.0, 3.1, ये 3.0, 3.1, 4.2, ये 4.2, 3.5, 4.6, 3.5, 4.6, 4.3, 4.3, 3.7, 3.7, 2.9, 2.9, 4.5, 4.5, 3.7, 3.7, 2.8, 2.8, 3.4 भी इसमें और 3.6 नीचे वाले में। टेली मार्क से आपको इंटरवल को देख के मार्क करना है। 2, ये 5 और 1 6, ये 5 और 5 10 और ये 4 14, ये 10 और 1 11, ये 4 और लास्ट है 3 और यहाँ पर आ जाएगा टोटल। टोटल 14 और 6 20, 22, 22 33, 33 और 7 40. Here the total is 40 and that is the group to frequency distribution table.